Hi girls, hi guys, we are in a new video of Newlacecu about our air systems. Today we are in factory. Let you see our airs. You can see the different colors. With this day, with airs, we make different air system to woman, to men. Today I let you see our different colors, in particular to woman air system. Here, Faith, our manager, let you see, this is for men. European airs for men. See the color, see the quality. You can see the movement is very natural and the color is wonderful. To me it's wonderful. Now I let you see also another type of color. A lot of women ask about this color with begin of a color and end with another color. Of course, the system will begin here. We have different biases with different colors. You can see all in our website newlacecu.com. Let you see also these colors cause a lot of girls asked me pink color. We can color the hairs pink, but you can see the hairs are again wonderful. See the consistency, see the movement. Very, very nice in this color. I want also let you see our brown colors. If I let you see the movement of the hairs, you can order it in our web or contact me in my WhatsApp or email. I let them in the description of this video. I hope you can like this video, subscribe, and we see in the next video. Bye bye.